I told you we were good.
What exactly did you do?
Magic. Magic, sir. Hey, listen, guys, so we got to... No. That's just some other stuff. But, hey, listen, what year is this car, sir?
'06.
All right, we got an '06 Lexus IS 350. Now, we just did what we like to call frost pipes. We call them frost pipes because they make the car sound so cold. So, here we go. Go ahead and start it up, Reese. Give me something. Ooh. Oh. Give me a little bit. Oh. Oh, that thing. Man, listen. Oh, Lord. I ought to. All right, that's good. Back it out. I ought to be able to charge $1,000 to make anybody that happy. Yeah. Yeah, I should see the owner. He's like smiling from ear to ear, right? As he belongs to a car club. And so, what he's got a new flavor for him now. I'm talking about some brand new flavor in their ear. All right, y'all. We'll see you next time.